A New Mexico sheriff was arrested for helping his friend, a former city councilor, escape police after a high-speed chase.
Morning, sir. Executing search warrant. Sheriff Lujan.
A search warrant for him or?
For the building as well.
For what?
I have no idea. It's house. But no, just stay here. No, I can't have you enter the scene.
You guys are fucked up, man.
Why are they beating on things?
Let's get him on the opposite side of this truck.
Let's go over here, sir.
Cody?
Let's go on the
I can't
opposite
tell.
side.
Sir, let's walk over here.
Why is that, dude? That's messed up,
Let's
dude.
walk over here.
Sheriff. That's what I'm saying. Let's get him on the opposite side of this truck.
Well, you got Tabitha over there.
Right here, right here, sir, right here.
Not yet. I got the press out here taking pictures of me in handcuffs.
Push him around into the doorway. Yeah, push him around into the doorway. At least to the doorway.
Just right here, don't go
Aye! Damn, permits. This is ridiculous.
Keep him up there.
Hold on, we have press.
Keep him up there.
Come over here, sir.
Keep him up there.
Sheriff,
Go.
What are you
stop,
doing?
stop, stop.
Stay out here.
Just stop, just stop, just stop.
Ah,
Okay,
Jesus.
wait,
Really?
You don't have to.
Look
just
to
stand.
you, look behind
just
you.
stand. Just stand.
Stand up, bro. Stand up.
Put him on this side of the truck. Put him on the other side of the truck.
It hurts.
They're loose, sir. They're loose.
No, they're not loose.
They're not even.
Sheriff, those are loose.
Stick your finger in there. Can you stick your finger in there?
Yes, I can.
Well, they're hurting. Jesus.
So, we have two search warrants. One is for the building. Okay. And one is for your iPhone.
Okay.
So, I'm going to read a stipulation.
Can you take these handcuffs off? They hurt. They hurt. Am I under arrest?
You're being detained.
Well, yeah. Why do I have to have cuffs on? They hurt.
We'll take them off in a minute. This won't take long.
You have a search warrant for my iPhone. You got my iPhone. You want a search warrant for the building. You're searching the building. I don't know what you're searching for, though.
I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
You're not letting me explain this. Let me explain. As soon as I find the page.
To all units, make sure you guys stay running hot.
So on this is signed by a district court judge.
Good.
Okay? Judge Bowman. Okay. First Judicial.
Okay.
So this search warrant gives me the authorization to seize your phone. Okay. Search your phone.
Okay.
But it also gives me the authorization. So what I'm asking for you to do is unlock your phone, unlock it, give it back to me, and I'm going to remove the security settings. I don't want your passcode. I'm not asking for your passcode. I'm asking you to unlock the phone. Per the search warrant, you can read it if you want under number 2.
I will if I get a chance to talk to my attorney.
It doesn't work like that.
Marty,
this is not a negotiation.
Mira.
This is not a negotiation, Sheriff. This is not a negotiation. I'm telling you, the warrant says it right there. You can talk to your attorney when this is all
I've
done.
been asking.
When this is all done, you can call your attorney. But right now, we're trying to get you to comply with the warrant. The warrant stipulates exactly what we want. You give us that, we'll get the phone, we're out of here. That's it. on you, Sheriff.
Right now, I'm under arrest.
You're
Because
detained.
I am under arrest. I am in handcuffs. I'm not free to leave. I'm not free to leave? Am I free to leave?
No.
No. Then, if I'm under arrest, I have a right to an attorney, correct?
You do.
Okay.
And I'm not questioning you.
I'm invoking
I'm
my
telling-
right to
I'm
an attorney
telling-
right now.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
So take him in.
Book me for
Book him
what?
for obstruction. Obstruction.
Unit.
Book him.
I'm not obstructing.
Take him over here to our unit. Take him over here to our unit.
Over here, Sheriff. Over here.
Sure.
Just
They're gonna book me.
really
Look at this shit. Look.
stop. Stop. Just walk.
What are you doing? Stop, Sheriff. What are you doing? Look. What is this? Really? I'm handcuffed.
That's not what you
I asked
said.
for my
What?
attorney.
That's not what you said. I'm telling you what the warrant stipulates.
I understand that. And
I told you what the warrant stipulates. You had every opportunity to cooperate. You want to cooperate, you're going to jail. Have a seat, sir.
Alright, good. Why is already
Have you been
Take the whole
searched
thing
thoroughly?
off. No, I haven't been searched. Just take
step
me
out
so we
here.
can do it.
I don't want to make sure you don't have any knives.
I don't have any knives. I don't have any weapons. That's my wallet.
It's your wallet. What's this?
My keys to my truck.
Could you head to the 81?
I don't have any weapons. Okay, I really don't. You took my, and as a matter of fact, you left it on the back of my truck over there. If you get somebody to secure it,
We'll
please.
secure everything for you. Have a seat.
Can you move these to the front?
No, sir. Against department policy. Have a seat.
Well, it's tighter than hell. They hurt.
Sheriff, those are very, very loose.
Really?
Step
Nah.
out. Let me see if I can fix them. They're very, very loose.
Yes, sir.
Commander, who's IC here?
We got our detectives here. Who's
Who's in charge?
It's going to be Command 1, Command 2.
Where are they at?
They should be in the front there.
Come on, talk to one of them.
Adam 32 to the units. RE2 is requesting a commander.
I'm gonna give
Huh?
it under sheriff. Chief. Chief's on his sheriff. That's his mag, and then we're gonna get you his sidearm.
Get everything. I don't want part of
We're all
it.
coming up now.
What do you mean everything?
Everything.
So this is what we took off this person. You're the one that took it off this person. Took it off this person. Deputy Graves.
Well, inventory it before you give it to me.
We're handing it right over to you.
Inventory it. You need to get away from it.
Mine's back there. I'll be here with you. I don't know. He told them all to come 33.
Wrong. Alright, I should just got that. Show myself at 11, wait 97. That's where it's at. Okay, that's nice up.
Look what you guys are doing.
We're trying to do everything peacefully. We tried to. Okay? That's all we're doing. We're done here. We're leaving.
Okay, well, get out of here then. You're done. Get out.
We'll
No.
leave when we're ready.
You
okay?
said you were done.
Yeah, we're wrapping it up right now. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. We're doing our law enforcement duties. That's it. District court signed it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so as soon as
fine.
we're done, we're going to get out of your hair. Why are you calling everybody here to put
This
them
is our
involved?
house.
Well, right now it's ours.
No, you're
Right now it's ours.
Oh, wow.
We own the building right now.
Shut up.
Don't talk to me like go over that. there.
Shut up.
I don't work for you. Don't Okay. talk to me like
Shut
that.
up.
Easy,
Go over
easy. Get that and let's go. Are we done in there? Are we done in there? Okay.
Do we have what we came for?
Yes.
Okay. Then go.
Are we clear? Everybody out? Hey, pull that crime taper out. We're going.
It's closed for now.
It's closed for right now.
I have no idea. Go ask him.
You guys didn't let me in, but you let her in.
I have no idea, sir.
You find out for me?
You go ask her. Well, this is your house. You go ask her.
Oh, now it's my house.
Yeah, it is now. Because we just gave it back to you.
Thank you.